This, and from this to this. Watch till the end to see realistic evolutions of Garden of Bam Bam.
Time to create new characters for Garden of Bam Bam.
But why you took us here?
Because you will be one of them. You too.
What have you done to my face? I don't look scary, bro.
Truly ain't scary. Garden of Bam Bam is mid.
We want to look different.
Scary. You will look scary or feel like someone is spying us.
Potion from my grandma.
Never mind. These voices are weird, so you must break all these rules to become more realistic.
Okay, first no short people. Come, guys.
Check you height.
We are good.
Don't cheat. Users, haha. Can I get in? Yes, for kiss.
Blood brothers, come. Here. Upgrade. Wow, we are more realistic. And next rule is no fights. Who can we fight if kids here are from Ohio?
Wait, I see someone. No. I know guy who changed you.
Oh, I am sorry.
What?
Hey you.
What?
Punch.
Why you did this?
Guy, I'm sorry, but you're broken. Upgrade. Wow, we look realistic. Next, no giving away toys. Okay, so I got those 3 boxes from Ohio. Who want one?
Me.
Here.
Sweet. I'm back my turn.
Okay. Okay, next you.
What is that? Oh my God!
Help. Don't worry, I will shot him. I am bad at shooting, sorry. Real broken. We are stronger, so next true no digging. Time to dig. What is this? Doors. Okay guys, I am not scared of them. Go away. I am scared. Upgrade. Wow, next let no stealing and killing. Hey Jeff, can I buy this key?
Yes, 100 Robux.
Free, oh thanks.
What?
Run.
Catch him.
Now no killing the rule. Hey chainsawing man, come and kill me.
Who is this?
Stop. Brothers.
Give us evolution.
Wow. Next, no dogs pooping, trains and opening doors. Dog, come. Here you can poop.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come on.
It's too much. I am not gonna clean it.
Don't run. Doggy, no.
Let me do it for you.
No doggy. I am gonna take revenge. No chain rule. Go out. Next, no opening doors. Oh no, I can't do it. They locked.
No one will get the keys.
He ate the keys. No. Wait, there's a rule that you can't be tiny. I'm small now. Wow, keys. Come with me. Time to open doors. Jeff. Four rules are broken. Upgrade. The pilot, everything okay? Next, no watching TV. Okay, let's turn it on.
Telling you first, you got to unlock this thing. EJ, come! Water!
Well, that's enough. Bah. No, I can't let you do this anymore. I don't care what you do to me. You, take the tape out now and destroy them. Burn them. Whatever. Just get rid of these other tapes. Do you hear me? You can't let anyone else watch these. anyone want...
The show is crappy. They are real. Please, someone help me.
I will sacrifice.
Jump scare. Real broken. Upgrade. Next, no ordering from dark web. Okay, I think my delivery is here.
This is for you. 5.
Let me open. No.
A lemonade.
You cut my ear. Hey, stop.
This doll is crazy. Wow, I am more human looking. Next, no entering playground at 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. guys and I want to sleep, but look at the playground, it's glitching.
What the hell?
I am getting in. No birthdays rule. Oh, Opila.
It's my birthday. I got egg for you.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That gift.
My turn.
What is this?
I got an amazing gift for you.
I don't like cats. I eat cats.
Opila, my gift is special. Ha ha ha.
Wow, Turkish guy.
Let's go. No, my Turkish friend. Hashtag help Turkey. You have link to help Turkey with earthquake on description. I am donating something and you can help too. 2 rules broken. Upgrade of me and Opila. Next, no cars on playground. Okay, I got in car. Hey, sit in mine.
Okay.
Taxi.
What have you done? Leave me alone. Please, guys, I don't want to die.
But wait. Next, no cats. I have one here, come.
Hey, stop.
Fight with me.
Ha ha ha, you bro. Real broken. Time for upgrade. Next, no leaving kids on playground.
Okay, I will leave this kid here.
Who is this?
I am Megan, and this is your end.
What?
I am not tall enough, it's your end.
Next, no painting. Real big. Haha, down.
Hey.
Bye.
Okay, next, no being skinny. This is the skinniest person in the world. Try to get in.
Hey, check your weight.
Okay, 1 pound.
You can't get in.
I will. Now jumping.
Next, no swimming in pool with cubes. Here, wait, what is this? Next, no fire and ice on playground. King of ice and king of fire, you know what to do.
Yes.
Ha ha ha. Next, no pooping on playground. How can I do this?
Can I borrow this?
Yes.
Thanks.
Bro, disgusting. Next, no talking Tom.
Bro, this app is so dumb. I am throwing it away. Why you threw me?
Time for upgrade. We are so cool. Next, no glitches on playground.
I can help you.
Okay.
Hey, Vivek.
Okay.
Hey, stop.
Next, know these nuts on playground.
These nuts.
Okay, I am ready.
What?
Stop.
Ha ha ha. Rule broken.
Next, no climbing.
I got it. Let me use my Thanos hand. Done.
Wow, more. Ha ha ha, yes.
And now. Rocket launcher. Ha ha ha.
Last Last rule, no eliminating playground.
Josh, do you know what does it do? I will throw it.
No, not here. Yes, we did it. Okay, time for our last upgrade. Snail, Opila, Jumbo, Blue. So that's it, thanks for watching.